There is an insidious pandemic that is sweeping across our planet. And no, I'm not talking about that tiresome virus at all. It is a deprivation and not using of a superpower that we all have. A superpower that, if invoked, will make you younger, healthier, sexier, smarter. But it is a two-edged sword, because if you do not invoke it, well, you grow older, you grow dumber, and definitely uglier. Do you know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about sleep. And today is World Sleep Day. It should have been called World Sleep Night, but doesn't matter. Sleep is such an important aspect of our lives. And unfortunately, it is one of the aspects that is compromised first. Do you know that human beings are the only species on the planet that actually willingly delay sleep? No other animal, no other species on the planet does this. And it has grave consequences. Every single organ and system of the body is completely compromised when there is lack of sleep, when there is not enough sleep. And of course, every single system and organ of the body is rejuvenated and revived, made even younger when you sleep enough and you have good quality sleep. We have talked about this in some detail in our book Happiness Express, but we felt it was not enough. So in the fourth quarter of this year, we are coming out with a new book all about sleep and all about success. It's called Sleep Your Way to Success. While you wait for the book, I have 3 tips for you to invoke that superpower called sleep and transform yourself into a younger, healthier, handsomer, nicer looking, smarter person. Tip 1, watch the sunset. The fading of the white and blue light of the day into the yellows, oranges and pinks of dusk towards the evening and going into the darkness of the night gives a tremendously important message to your body that it's time to prepare for sleep. Second, have dim or yellow lights in your house. White light, tube lights, give a very conflicting message to the brain. The brain has just seen the sunset and it comes back indoors and sees white light. It cannot figure out whether it should start the process for getting ready for sleep or not. For every 1 hour of exposure of white light, your sleep cycle is delayed by half an hour. Be careful of white light. It is the enemy of sleep. And white light does not just come from tube lights. It comes from your mobile phone, it comes from your tablet, it comes from your computer screen, it comes from your TV, it comes from many, many sources. The third tip, if you do drink tea or coffee, no tea or coffee after 2 in the afternoon. It takes your body quite some time to get rid of the effects of caffeine. Caffeine, by the way, is 10 times more potent than white light in keeping you awake, in delaying your sleep cycle, in giving you the illusion that you are feeling fresh. Just with these 3 tips, a much better, deeper, nicer quality of sleep. And when you have a much nicer quality of sleep, you will definitely have a much better day ahead. Sleep your way to success. Watch out for our book coming soon in the last part of the year. Meanwhile, good night, sweet dreams. If you're still watching, I'm sure you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment. Tell me, do you have any sleep issues? How well do you sleep? Let's have a conversation. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.